and welcome to Crypto Coders. This is our C++ tutorial series, and in this video we will be solving a question that I uploaded about 1 or 2 days ago in the community tab of our channel. The question was that you had to write a C++ program asking the user to enter the username and password, and if the username and password matches any of these usernames and passwords, then the login message would be displayed to the user. Otherwise, the login would be failed. And I asked you to write the code specifically for these usernames and passwords. So let's write the code for this. pq2.cpp and our basic structure of our code. So we will be using two variables of our for the username and password. So string username and string password. Then we'll ask the user to enter the username, and the password. So this is basically how the authentication in any of the software you use, this is how it works. So if our username double equal to whatever the username there was, ulive, and we'll write the AND operator, and the password was 28354, then we had to display the message of logged in. Else if the username double equal to the other QFMLW, and at the same time if the password of the user was 78945, we have to add quotation marks here also because this is of string type. In this case we'll also display logged in. So similarly for all other usernames and password as well, I've written it, so I'll just copy and paste all of these down. Just paste it here. So it's the same thing. If the username is this and the password is this, it will display logged in. Username and password is this, it will also display logged in. So for all of the users and usernames and password, you'll check, and if it doesn't match with any of these, you'll just display login failed. So it's as simple as this. You'll check for each and every username and password, and make sure to write the AND operator, not the OR operator, because both of these conditions need to be true in order to be logged in. So if you enter OR operator, even if the username is correct but the password is wrong, it will log in the user, which should not be the case. So make sure to write the AND operator. Now if we run this program, if we enter this username KXSH, and our password for this was 57947, login is successful. We'll check for other usernames as well, PCVWP. For example, if we write the password for this wrong, the login will be failed. And if we write the username of this and password of some other username, you'll see that it won't allow us to be logged in. QFMLW and the password 72048, login failed. So our username and password authentication is working correctly. So this was it for this video. If you liked the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.